Hi, and welcome to the second episode of my DevLog series. In this episode, we're going to look at the stuff I have added since the last upload. Let's start by looking at the death animations of the enemies. The first animations that I did were the golems. I started by drawing out some rocks in Photoshop, and here's a nice little speed art. At first I was using Photoshop's default brushes. When shading the rocks, I found them too smooth. All the brush strokes blurred together and formed the perfect gradient, and that wasn't the look I was going for. So I went online and found these new brushes that are exactly what I needed. Now when I shade, there's actually some sort of texture, and I just love how they look. So if any of you use Photoshop and would be interested in using the brushes, I'll put the download link in the description, so if you want to download them, the link's gonna be there. I also made animations for all the other enemies, but I didn't draw the custom particle effects for the other enemies, because I thought it would be a great way to implement some of your ideas into my game. If you have any cool ideas for what to draw for the other enemies, comment down below and I'll try to put it into the game. So I was thinking about like a dead fish maybe, or like a broken spear, but yeah, if you have anything cool on your mind, just comment down below and I'll look at it. The next day, after finishing the animations, a really annoying thing happened. When I opened my Unity project, a little pop-up showed up saying, would you like to update your project because you're running an old version of something? And I was like, okay, yeah, I'd rather run a newer version. And I updated the project and it just broke everything. Like you can see in the video, all the scripts in the project were not accessible. They were all just throwing out these yellow warning signs. There were like 100 errors. It was just not working. It took me like 2 days to fix this. I was just trying loads of things, looking for help online. I was getting really scared that I'm gonna lose my project because I have put in so much work in it. But somehow I managed to fix it and now it works. This problem delayed me for like 2 to 3 days, but I'm glad that the project is all good and I didn't lose my progress, and I'm running the newest version of Unity. Which brings us to the current state of the game, where I have implemented a shop and a currency system. You earn money by killing monsters, and then you can go to shop and spend your money on character upgrades or new weapons. You can even use your coins to heal yourself. The shop required a lot of time to make because I had to just rewrite a lot of code, and I'm still learning how to use Unity UI and I still find it a bit hard. It just takes a lot of effort to make a UI, which I didn't know before. I thought UI would be the easy part, but actually it's quite challenging. Currently my 2 character upgrades are speed upgrade and max health upgrade. So the speed upgrade gives you a speed boost, so your character just runs faster and you can upgrade this 5 times. Max health upgrade surprisingly gives you another heart, so instead of like 3 hearts you have 4. In future I would like to add a mana system, so when you would shoot your weapon it would consume some mana, and that would actually make a very good character upgrade, so you can increase your mana regen or your max mana. That would solve the issue that the game currently has, where the player can just hold down his mouse key and keep spraying and spraying. So that would make the game more challenging and hopefully more fun, because now you would have to put more effort into aiming. The shop currently looks really ugly, but I would like to get done with all the upgrades and all the layout stuff before I move on and start drawing all the buttons and sprites and icons, because I'm still not sure how everything's gonna link together, and I'm probably gonna change my layout around, and I just want to be fully done with all the layout before I start drawing, because I don't want to draw some things and then end up not using them. Before ending this video, I would like to talk about some of the goals I have for the next devlog. One of my main goals would be to make the shop UI look similar to the sketch I drew earlier. I would like to have a different skill tree for each staff. For example, with the sniper staff, you could choose to make your bullets deal more damage, or make your bullets pierce through enemies. I'm still thinking of all the different upgrades I could have, but if you have any suggestions, comment down below or join my Discord server where we can discuss your ideas and try to put them into the game. Another big thing I'm gonna focus on is the wave system. I would want the game to continue till the player dies and not because the game ran out of levels. Currently, the thing that makes the waves harder is the amount of enemies spawned. I would like to change this and make the enemies harder to kill, and as the enemies get stronger, I would like to increase the drop chance for better coins, so the player gets rewarded for killing a stronger enemy. And that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this devlog, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.